Nigeria-France Business and Investment Forum is seeking partnership with foreign investors to increase trade relations between Nigeria and France to boost Nigeria's exports. Business owners participating in the forum made this known on the sidelines of the investment forum held in Abuja. The forum aims to diversify Nigeria's economy and reduce the nation's reliance on oil. Mr. Keith Bola-Shaw, Chief Financial Officer, Pacific Ring West Africa, encouraged French delegates to invest in Nigeria, noting that the country has an enabling environment for businesses to thrive. Bola-Shaw, who manages a Nigerian cassava chips production company, said that in less than 8 months of production, the company had already started exporting.
A Nigerian company. We are makers of Casanova's cassava chips, which we manufacture 100% in Abuja. All of our ingredients, all of our supplies, all of our packaging comes from Nigeria, and we're very proud to be both selling within the country and exporting to Europe already. Now, an event like this, for us as a company who do export high quality goods made in Nigeria, we're looking to find new markets, especially very strong markets like France. We're already selling in Germany, we're already selling in the UK, we're already in Spain. Getting to new customers across the French market, where obviously you've got a very large diaspora population, is hugely important for us. And as we grow, and as demand from both domestic demand and international demand grows, we will be able to grow, provide more jobs, provide more security for our staff, and basically be able to expand the number of livelihoods that we're bringing to the country.
A participant, Mr. Charles Reggie, Business Development Manager, Tractable Engineering, said that his company had been operating in Nigeria and was doing a lot in the energy sector. He said that his company had worked on the Kainji Dam and are currently working on Zungeru Dam to meet the challenges of Nigeria's electricity.
I'm here at this forum to really make contacts with local companies, but also local regulators to know what will be the next project in the pipes. How the government could help, you mean? I would say to improve some regulation, maybe on taxes, and also on to facilitate us to come working here. So we send a lot of engineering people due to our project here. We use also people from Nigeria, and it's also the idea here also to more than having people internally in here, it's also working with local Nigerian company which are already here. So that's why I'm here, to make contacts with them.
For his part, Mr. Abdul Rauf Lawal, Vice President, Nigeria Rice Policy, said that local rice production in Nigeria could increase in gross domestic product through rice exports if more attention was paid to it.
Nigeria is the big brother to all African countries, and we're trying to recruit other African countries. And you know, from the African countries, France played a major role especially in some West Africa and some North African countries. By we starting it being the big brother, other countries are emulating us to see that Africa are able to feed themselves. And this forum will make the synergy come faster, because whatever is discussed here will be replicated in all other French-speaking countries of Africa. At the end of the day, we reduce importation, save our foreign exchange, engage youths and women in the processes, and then everything will come to play. And then we'll be a prosperous nation and a continent. The government should stick to the policy they have started for the past 4 years. And if we continue on that with that policy, I think we'll be able to achieve our aims and objectives of making Nigeria self-sufficient in rice, even up to the position of exporting and getting more foreign exchange for Nigeria economy.
For her part, Dr. Nike Akonde, Nigeria's former Minister of Trade, urged the participants to network and take ample advantage of the conducive business environment and incentives to invest in Nigeria's vast resources.
They just hear a little thing about Nigeria, but now they are going to hear from the expert, and they can do a bit of matchmaking, and this will help the two economies. A lot of things are happening in Nigeria. The ease of doing business. You know, there are many things that will make investors come to Nigeria. There are so many attractive incentives from the government. For participants, they should make sure they get some business opportunities. Try and link up with the foreign investors that are here. A lot of them are looking for Nigerian partners. Let them try and link up with them. Do a lot of networking and to foster business relations.